the base Pixel 10 has 12 gigs of RAM, right? And the Pros and the Pro Fold has 16 gigs of RAM. I think if you're going to be holding on to this phone for more than a year, right? I think you're going to want to need to get a Pro because it has more RAM and you're going to want to get a 256. That may be the other thing. The UFS 4.0 storage in this Pixel 10 Pro series. Remember, don't get the 128 gig. If you get the 128 gig Pixel 10 series or Pixel 10 Pro, you're going to get old UFS 3.1 storage. If you're getting a new Pixel 10 series, if you're going to get the base Pixel 10, get the 256. If you're going to get the Pixel 10 Pro, get the 256. All right, because they do offer 128 in the base 10 Pixel 10 and the base Pixel 10 Pro, and then obviously the Pro XL, the Pro Fold only has 256. I mean, base for them is 256, but stay away from 128 gig Pixel 10s because that uses old UFS storage. That could be the new combination of the new Tensor G5 CPU and the new UFS 4.0 storage could be the reason why it feels so much faster, so much snappier, just buttery smooth. And they could have, fine-tuned this operating system, but all that put together makes for an amazing experience. But on the base Pixel 10, only comes with 12 gigs of RAM, no other storage option when it comes to your RAM. Well, guess what? 3 of those gigabytes are tied up, meaning not usable. Meaning you're only going to have about 9 gigs of RAM left for applications, for games, if you're editing videos, if you're a gamer. Pixel 10's not going to be the way to go, right? So my dad's looking to upgrade, and he's got a Pixel 6a, right? And Google's encouraging everybody with 6As to please get a new phone. So he's going to go grab a new Pixel 10, and I was telling him, whatever you do, don't get the base Pixel 10 128. They do have 256 out there. So I said, if you're going to get the base Pixel 10, make sure you get the 256. And I said, what I strongly encourage is you get one of these. Pixel 10 Pro 256. Thank me later. That's what I told him. More RAM and you get more storage. He's one of those types that won't upgrade his phone unless he absolutely has to. So he'll probably use it for 7 years, right? So that's what I was telling him. We upgraded storage, but this was not widely talked about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And I have an article here, and I do have them linked in the video description as well down below. So the base Pixel 10, where we go? There we go. The base Pixel 10 only has, how do I get this ad out of here? 9 usable gigabytes of RAM. So please choose wisely. Now, where are those 3 gigs tied up into? It's tied up into AI. What else, right? So those 3 gigs of RAM are going to be allocated specifically for AI Core, which is a system app in your phone, and the new Tensor Processing Unit, the TPU. Now, those help with AI functionality, right? That's why that's what forced Apple to have to upgrade, even though they're juggling AI capabilities. It forced them to upgrade their RAM. Forces everything to upgrade in RAM. So be very mindful. And now this applies to the base Pixel 10 only, and it applies to both the 128 gig and 256 gig variant, right? So 3 gigs of your RAM will be not usable. So essentially you're only gonna have 9 gigs of RAM. A lot of people aren't gonna think of that, this was not widely discussed. And it could hinder your performance if you're a heavy multitasker like myself, or a gamer, or somebody that edits videos on their device, social media stuff. It will affect you. So you've been warned. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. I can't use phones with 8 gigs of RAM, and it appears this is one of them. So it's nice to look at and play with. Now, it's not going to be a sluggish experience by any means, but as I mentioned, for heavy users, heavy multitaskers, you might run into issues. So just keep that in mind.